After completing this tutorial, you will be able to use HoyaSearch's advanced search effectively in order to find films in the Georgetown collection. Let's get started. We'll begin with the search box on the library's homepage, which allows us to search HoyaSearch. The simplest way to find films is to use the advanced search option. From the advanced search screen, we have all the options necessary for finding films in a straightforward, easy fashion. The first choice we need to make is whether we're searching for films in the whole consortium, only available online, or owned by Georgetown. Let's limit to GU only. Now let's enter our search terms. Let's say I was looking for Fiona Findlay's film adaptation of Jane Austen's Persuasion. To find this film, I would first enter Persuasion in the first search box, and then I would select Title from the drop-down box to the left. I can also choose to enter either Findlay's or Austen's name in the next field, and then limit to Author/Creator in the left-hand drop-down menu. Let's enter Findlay in the second search box to ensure that we're finding the correct version. Finally, and this is perhaps the most important step, from the Content Type menu, you'll need to select Video/Film. Now let's click Search. And here we have it. You'll notice that there are records for various versions of the film Persuasion all stacked on top of each other. To see the individual records, just click the link that says See All Versions. Now we can see the records for each individual film. There are 3 DVD copies and 1 streaming film of Persuasion. And here we can see that the library has the Findlay edition both on DVD and online. And that's how you find a film at Georgetown University Library. This concludes our introduction to finding films in HoyaSearch. If you would like additional information on finding films, please ask us at library.georgetown.edu/ask-us or email us at reference@georgetown.edu.